wash. Yes, bravo. Okay. Every time we are going to take a shower, we have to use the water. Okay, we use the water. Okay, we use the water. Okay, you see what's the water? How the water is important? The water is very important in our life. So we wash again. And now, you see, the dolly is clean now. It's clean. Thanks to what? Thanks to the water, the dolly is clean. Okay, Emma, put her here. Put her here. Put her. Put the dolly here. Okay. Now take it and go here. Next, who wants? Aya, come. Because Aish is going. Come, Aya. Come. Sit down. I will call you one. Okay. Now, Aish is gonna take a shower for the next dolly. What we're gonna use again? We are gonna use the water. Bravo, Ruby. We're gonna use the water. Cesar, please sit down properly. We're gonna use the water. Okay? We put the water on the top of the head like this. Yalla Aya. Put some soap. Shower gel. And wash it. Yalla Aya. Wash the dolly. You see how the water is important in our life? Yeah. See? We'll be clean, we'll be nice, we'll smell nice. We can do everything with the water. Yalla Aya, I will help you. Okay. Bravo Aya. Yalla Aya. Take the dolly here, from here, and put it here. Yeah, take the dolly.
Do you have extra paper?
Okay, take it.
Baby, I want me also. I want me. A shower for the baby. Put some water. Very good. After that, we put, what is this? What is this? Shampoo. Very good. And put shampoo in the hair. Nice. So the baby will be nice and clean. After this, what will we do, Sada? We will put water. Okay. Now, after, we will get the what is this? Towel. Good. And you will wipe your baby dry. Make it dry. Let him dry. Wipe your baby. Bravo. Excellent. Now your baby. Smell your baby. Smell. Smell if it's nice and clean.